Shri Govind Ram Sekhsaria Institute of Technology and Science Indore has received an overall rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com. How is the 4.6 rated B Pharma program here? Let's find out in this detailed college review. Starting off with placements rated 4.5 stars. According to NIRF, about 46% of graduating students were placed in 2022-23, marking a 30% increase from 2020-2021. Students share that many national and international recruiters, including Malin, Felix and Sun Pharma, visited and offered roles such as pharmacists. The median package offered stood at 3 lakh per annum, remaining the same in 2022 and 2021. When compared to the neighbouring DAV Indore, the median salary for SGS ITS is more preferable. Students report nearly 100% internship placements in hospital pharmacies and pharmaceutical industries. To intern with multinational companies like Sun Pharma, a minimum of 60% in semester exams is required. SGS ITS offers a 4-year B Pharma program with a total intake of 60 students. Admission is based as per the percentage obtained in 10+2 with physics and chemistry. The total fees for the program is approximately 4.64 lakhs for 4 years. Additionally, hostel charges are around 59,000 per year. Scholarships by the Government of India and Government of Madhya Pradesh are available to students every year. Let's switch gears to the 4.3 rated infrastructure and see what students are saying. SGS ITS Indore spans 35 acres and features modern classrooms, advanced laboratories with cutting-edge tech, and research facilities for various pharmacy branches. It includes a central library with extensive resources, sports facilities like a gym, sports field, and game courts. The campus has modern auditoriums and seminar halls for events and separate hostels for boys and girls. Students appreciate the Wi-Fi, excellent lab facilities, and high-quality hostel amenities, including hygiene, food, drinking water, and medical care. Moving on to faculty and course curriculum, which has received 4.8 stars. Students commend the university's academic standards, noting that nearly all professors hold PhDs and provide thorough preparation for challenging exams. The minimum pass percentage is 50%. Additionally, the official website states that a mandatory 75% attendance is required for appearing in exams and for receiving scholarships. Now on to the 4.5 rated campus life at SGS ITS. Students have access to various clubs catering to a wide range of interests, including computer science, robotics, personality development, cultural activities, and more. The institute also holds various events such as the Guard of Honor and Piloting event, Republic Day Parade, and online cultural events. Lastly, SGSIT is unranked in pharmacy category in the NIRF ratings. For more details on SGSIT Indore and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We'd like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.